Good morning, students. Hope you all are good. And congrats to all dear students of class plus 2 and 10th for their good result and scoring such a good marks. Now, here we start with our next topic of class 10th, that is Ohm's law. Write down Ohm's law. This topic is very important, beta. First of all, this law is given by a German physicist, German physicist named George Simon Ohm. Named George Simon Ohm. It gives the relationship between potential difference V and current I. Now, beta, according to this law, what it is? Potential difference across two points of conductor. Across two points of conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. Flowing through it. In other words, you can write it as V is directly proportional to I, or V upon I is equal to constant. Or in other words, bache, you can write it as, when you remove this symbol or here you place equal to sign, you put a constant, that is R. So you get V is equal to IR. Or here R is a constant, that is called resistance of the conductor. That is called resistance of the conductor. And SI unit of resistance is SI unit of resistance is ohm, represented by the symbol this one. Note down the thing. ओके बेटा। Now you learn about that is V is equal to IR or V upon I is equal to constant, that is R and is called resistance of the conductor. Now बच्चे, when you draw the graph between V and I, when you draw the graph between V and I, you get a straight line starting from the origin. You get a straight line starting from the origin. That is graph for Ohm's law. Graph for Ohm's law. Or between V and I. You can write it as between V and I. Now बेटा एक चीज यहां पे याद रखना कि करंट जो है ड्यू टू द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है. करंट किसकी वजह से है? ड्यू टू द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. नेक्स्ट बेटा आता है दैट इज सर्किट डायग्राम फॉर ओम्स लॉ. सर्किट डायग्राम फॉर ओम्स लॉ. Draw the circuit diagram बच्चे. First of all, this is here. Take 2 points X and Y. From here you join with the voltmeter, that is V. Further you connect with the ammeter, then with key K. Now from here beta you just connect with the battery. Just draw the dotted lines. And here join with this and draw the direction of current. Now beta, here you see that voltmeter is connected in parallel and ammeter is connected in series. First you here write down V positive and V negative. Now when you find the ratio of V and I, you just see that the ratio of this is constant. From single cell, from 2 cells, from 3 cells, from 4 cells. So here that is you get a straight line graph. You can perform this experiment in your labs when you get to school and by joining this circuit. Draw the graph बच्चे and draw the circuit diagram on your notebook. Wait for 2 minutes. Here just write it as बच्चे R, resistance. ओके फाइन बेटा। नाउ बच्चे बात आती है फ्रॉम हियर रेजिस्टेंस आर। रेजिस्टेंस आर, रेजिस्टेंस क्या है बेटा? व्हेन यू कंपेयर इट विद फ्रिक्शन, you know that friction that just opposes the motion of the body. Same in the case of electricity बच्चे क्या है? That obstruct to the path of the current, or you can write it as obstruction to the flow of current, to the flow of current. That is a simple definition of resistance. Now बच्चे from here you get the formula R is equal to V upon I. And I already tell you that SI unit of resistance is ohm. SI unit of resistance is ohm, represented by the symbol this one. Now from here you can define 1 ohm. You get 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. Potential difference का SI unit that is volt, current का SI unit that is ampere. So 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. From here you can write the definition of 1 ohm. You get the question in the form that define the unit of resistance. Now बच्चे 1 ohm का definition क्या बन जाएगा? When potential difference is 1 volt and current flowing through the circuit is 1 ampere. That resistance is said to be 1 ohm. Note down beta. Here you just draw one thing more, that diagrammatic symbol of resistance, that is this one, represented by R. Note down बच्चे. ओके फाइन बेटा. Now you learn about the Ohm's law and resistance. Now next term, that is, or next topic, that is factors affecting the resistance. Affecting the resistance. Means to say that resistance किस पे डिपेंड करता है बेटा. फर्स्ट फैक्टर है दैट इज लेंथ ऑफ द कंडक्टर. लेंथ ऑफ द conductor, that is L. Second one is area of cross section. Area of cross section, that is A. Third is temperature. Fourth one is nature of material. Nature of material. Note down बच्चे. ना बेटा आपको ये तो पता चल गया कि रेजिस्टेंस इन फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करता है, बट ये इसको किस तरह इफेक्ट करते हैं. लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो रेजिस्टेंस है दैट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द लेंथ. राइट डाउन. रेजिस्टेंस इज directly proportional to length, that is L of the conductor. Or you can write it as R is directly proportional to L. To just equation 1. Second thing, area of cross section, that is resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Cross section, that is resistance is inversely proportional to 1 upon A. Now you here see that directly proportional and inversely proportional symbols for both are same, but difference is that when you write directly proportional, direct means to say that in Hindi or Punjabi you can say that सीधा और सीधा. तो बच्चे जब लेंथ इंक्रीज करेगी तो रेजिस्टेंस भी इंक्रीज करेगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड जब लेंथ डिक्रीज करेगी तो रेजिस्टेंस भी क्या करेगा, डिक्रीज करेगा. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. इनवर्स क्या है, उल्टा उसका. एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन डिक्रीज किया तो रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज कर जाएगा. एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन इंक्रीज करेगा तो रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज कर जाएगा. इनवर्स उल्टा, डायरेक्ट सीधा. वन क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज, सेकंड इज आल्सो इंक्रीज्ड. वन क्वांटिटी डिक्रीज, सेकंड इज आल्सो डिक्रीज. इनवर्स में क्या हो जाएगा, एक डिक्रीज तो दूसरा इंक्रीज, एक इंक्रीज तो दूसरा डिक्रीज. नोट डाउन बेटा. Okay, now you just mark it at 2. Now beta from here combine first and second. Combine first and second you get resistance is directly proportional to L into 1 upon A, or you can write R is directly proportional to L upon A. When you remove this sign, I already tell you that here we put when equal to sign, we apply a constant, that is here is rho. You get R is equal to rho L upon A. Where rho is the resistivity of the conductor. Resistivity of the conductor. Or that is constant of proportionality. Note down beta. Just learn about this, that rho is the resistivity of conductor, or you can write spelling also, that is RHO, rho. Note down बच्चे. Okay, fine beta. Now beta, you get R is equal to rho L upon A. Rho L upon A, where rho is RHO, resistivity of the conductor. Resistivity of the conductor. First of all, बच्चे, from this formula you can find the unit of rho. You can find the unit of rho. From here you get rho is equal to A move to this side, L move to bottom, और L denominator में आ जाएगा बच्चे. That is you get rho is equal to R into A upon L. Now SI unit of resistance is ohm. Area of cross section is meter square and length, that is meter. Now you get, that is meter square को क्या लिख सकते हैं बेटा, मीटर इंटू मीटर अपॉन मीटर, ये लेंथ का. इसको आपने मेंशन नहीं करना, जस्ट फॉर योर सिंप्लिसिटी एम से एम कैंसिल. You are just left with ohm meter. You are just left with ohm meter. So SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter, or you can write in this way. Note down beta. Okay, fine, bache. In the next topic, we discuss about the definition of resistivity and what is the resistivity of alloy and metals, how it vary with temperature. You just go through the topic or definition of resistivity. We are left with some few topics of electricity more. Just doing the numericals then and just revision. Then we finish the chapter. And if you like my lecture, then please subscribe, like, share. Prosperous Academy. Thank you and have a nice day.